Hello, dear friend. This is Rakesh here. Once again, you are welcome to Visual for You. There is a very important update about Inkscape. You know what's Inkscape? Inkscape is a vector software, a vector design software. So here you can make lots of logo. You can design T-shirt, any type of design. You can make several. It's not a raster program like GIMP or Photoshop. It's a vector where you can create a lots of imaginations, your imagination for your professional purpose. For this, Inkscape is a open source free software, so you can use it freely. It's a very professional software. For this, this is a very important update. For this update, we come here. You see this, we are now in the interface of Inkscape. Here you see I was making here designing for our open source tutorial here, and here you see file. This is interface. When you open Inkscape, edit this file, edit, view, you see layer, object, path tools. There are different types of tools you can object. You can use it for designing. Here you can add text to your designing. Say here you see for your vector program, and this is a filter, various type of filter you can add. This is extension, various type of extension you need to add when you will start project. Here this is a help. You see Inkscape manual tutorial, everything you can go, but we have to come here about Inkscape. You see here, this is actually 1.4. It is a beta. Some of these features are still in beta, but you can use it. It's a major update. There are lots of features which have been added in this update. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for this update and listen this class till the end. Then you will understand, dear friend. Here you see 1.3, our the version which I was using. This is a development version. Replace, you can replace with this. I want to download this version. We will download here, and for this we will just click here. Otherwise, come here to website here. So you see we want to read about this Inkscape. You see website has opened now, and you see this is Inkscape website. Here you can read various type of information here. Always there are some updates about new news you can listen here. But we come here. This is Inkscape 1.4. You see, after months of waiting, we are finally ready to unbox the latest version of Inkscape. You can read here Geek Edition. This is Geek Edition, where accessibility and custom ran. Here you see Inkscape project development. They were developing this project for a long time. So people like us, we contribute to Inkscape here. You can actually donate here. When I start earning, you can contribute here. Come here, and you can donate some amounts of your work when you start earning in Inkscape. This is now we will just download. You can read here. You see one by one. These are the major updates. We will go through all these updates now in our interface here. And this Get Inkscape 1.4 here. You see for your Linux, Windows, and Macs on every platform it works. It's one of the fantastic software where if you don't want to use Adobe Illustrators, too costly, too much costly, it's the real replacement of Illustrator program, Adobe Illustrator here. And I will just click here. You see. No, I am here. You see, no, this is here. Inkscape's path here. So 1.4 is here. Here I will come to window because I use window machine, window 11. If you are on Linux, please go here. And for Mac OS, you can here you can click. I will just click here. You see, this is showing me 64 beta architecture. Yes, it supports my system. I will take this. I just click here. You see, this is telling you that you can take installer in exe for Windows installer package compress. If you know want to zip file, I will just click here this window. I will just click here. You see now it's a direct installer. I'm installing in Windows installer directly here. You see it will be very fast downloaded. Then we will go through the features here, dear friend. Listen till the don't skip anything. So this is a very major, very important update about Inkscape drawing. Freely you can draw here. You can do a lots of things in Inkscape. Now we see we have downloaded. We just come to our file here. This is and we will run it as administrator here. Do you want to allow this program to uninstall? You will click yes. Just and you see now it's installing. We are welcome to Inkscape setup. You can, it's not a tough task. Next we will click just on default everything. We'll click OK. Next we'll just click here. You see run as administrator. We'll click yes. Next we will click add Inkscape system path for all user. Inkscape for OK. Do don't add. We have to click next everything. So you see now we are done extracting the file Inkscape setup here. Just wait. Now we'll finish yes. Now our Inkscape installation has finished here. Now so see this is our Inkscape v1.4 here, and we will just colorful you can try here. You can mode you can try. You see light mode is here. You can use from here appearance system default. It will be default here. You can change here. Colorful. You can take colorful. Okay, I just take colorful. Save. Now see our it's colorful here. This is a new interface for Inkscape. Learn how to contribute time. You can contribute time. Learn how to fund the Inkscape. You can fund. This is open source. Without hours effort, it can't survive, dear friend. So you come here, and this is quick setup. You can set up here. Support by you. This is time to draw here. We can take here we have file, for example, we can open this file. Hello dear friend, you see we have already downloaded the new version, the new Inkscape. This version is a 1.4. Some of these features are still in beta, but it's working very fine. You see I have one project is opened here. This is our new look of Inkscape. I want to just summarize of what's new features. In the next class I will research and explore so how these downloads are working, how these new features added in Inkscape are working here. First is here, you see this is actually filter gallery dialog has been added here. Inkscape 1.4 filter gallery dialog is a new entry point into the world of filter. This has been added. Second, you see modular guides has been added here. For those of you seeking an ultimate in symmetry and accuracy, you will find the new grid selector buttons. New grids, this will help you a lot to work inside Inkscape. This has been added in the new version. You see switches dialogues has been added here in new version. You can change from here. You see here you can adjust this document switches and color. You can adjust everything. So this has been added. I have to explore this about the new features now one by one. In this unified font browser has been added here. It's a very helpful to add the text here. You see this is the here in our program. You come here, you see this has been added unified font. You can select adjust from here. It will help us more to work, and we can work now in a more refined way here after adding this text. And after this is a customizable handles. If you have a project here, and you can customize the handles according to yourself. These are some of this program are still in beta. I will try and I will use it. And these are the features. The main one is shape builders here. You can you see you can build a shape inside Inkscape. Object property dialogues is the new features here as of the Inkscape 1.4. The objective attributes and object property dialogues have been rolled up into one. This has been rolled up into one. This one step shop is where you can change the different property of object, including rotation, corner, everything you can change here. And you see icons have been set here, and welcome dash and the latest icon set to be accessible within Inkscape. This icon will be, you see such type of new icon have been added. It will be now available in Inkscape. These are actually the major features which have been added in Inkscape. Now I will start one by one explore this how these are workings, and we will have the new tutorial about this how these are the new features are working, how the Inkscape is stable. Please write your suggestion, dear friend. Please join our subscribe the channel for our next session about this Inkscape 1.4. We will have tutorial, we will have more about Inkscape, and this is one of the best tool and the final replacement of Adobe Illustrator. Very costly. You can donate and you can work with Inkscape and contribute, and you can use this for lots of professionals are now using this Inkscape as their profession, and they are earning money through Inkscape software, dear friend. Your one subscription motivates me a lot to make more creative video. On my website you can learn about the video editing software, Caden Live, DaVinci Resolve, various type of softwares update. You can know through this and suggest this channel to those, share these channels to those friends who are actually in need of such type of tutorial. We meet in the next class. We wish the new updated tutorial about this Inkscape 1.4 release. Take care, dear friend. Bye.